Welcome back to The Finance Shark. If you've thought about opening your own business, you might have begun to look for advice. Owning your own business can put you in control of your life, your career, and your financial future. But as any small business owner knows, entrepreneurship has its challenges too. It can be risky, stressful, and even lonely. If you've thought about opening your own business, you might have begun to look for advice. There are so many secrets and tips for starting a new business out there that choosing which ones to follow can get confusing. So in this video, we are going to tell you about starting a small business, 5 things to know. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 5, plan your budget. This is probably the most important part of starting a small business, and one of the most difficult to do, as there is a wide range of factors to consider, and the expenses can mount up quickly. Calculate your immediate startup costs first. If you need business premises to begin trading, then the cost of buying or leasing a property will be your first large expense. Look around at the properties available now to gauge costs. Buildings come with expenses of their own, so look for quotes on things like liability and property insurance, as well as utility rates like water and power. Staffing, supplies, and inventory are also going to be immediate costs that you will need to budget for. These should grow with your business, so you don't budget for a full staff, for instance, as you can hire more personnel as your business grows. This puts less strain on your early profits. Number 4, you are a business owner 365 days of the year. For the new business owner, oftentimes the normal work hours are spent building the business and talking to prospective clients. The evenings are typically for the administrative work and all of the other things you could not fit into the day. Many start a business to have control over their work schedule, which can happen eventually, but for many, it means no vacations and possibly no salary, as everything you earn is being put back into the business. Your work hours are somewhat dictated by your business. If you're a restaurant owner, your hours may start at 3 a.m., especially if you serve breakfast, and end as late as 10 p.m. Your weekends may be stocking up on supplies or taking inventory. Number 3, understand your target customers and existing market. It's possible to develop an excellent business concept and deploy it in the wrong area. That's why it's important to understand the area in which you want to start your small business, as well as your target customers. An idea that could work out very well in a large, densely populated area simply may not get the amount of foot traffic or the number of customers it needs in an area with fewer residents. Assessing the market for your products or services, seeking out the presence of potential competitors, and conducting an assessment of how your business will hypothetically perform can all move your idea in the right direction. You can also look to competitors and similar businesses for ideas and guidance, although indirectly. Visiting their stores, looking at their websites and marketing materials, and other intelligence gathering initiatives can help you fill in the pieces of the puzzle. Number 2, balance passion with wisdom. One of the most important ingredients in a successful business idea is passion. Passion will consistently drive you to improve your process so your business grows. That said, don't let passion take over all your decisions. Passion will move you forward, but knowledge will point you in the right direction. Conduct market research on your industry and talk to target customers to find out your business's potential. Ask experts questions about launching a startup. Reach out to professionals that can help you with certain areas of business, such as financial advisors and lawyers. As your business starts to come together, think of it like driving a car. Let your passion hit the gas pedal and your mind control the steering wheel. That way, you can be confident about the direction you're headed and sustain the momentum you need to get there. Number 1, get expert help. If all this sounds overwhelming, don't worry, you're not alone. There are local organizations that support entrepreneurs like yourself. There are many business advisors and partner organizations that offer no-cost, one-on-one business assistance to help you start and grow your company. You can also access free business resources, workshops, and programs to help you accelerate your growth. Success in business will require more than hard work and good luck. It also requires making the best decisions from the start. Starting your own business may sound like a dream. You just need to follow the right advice and make the right decisions. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.